All right, traders, in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade a company's earnings report. Okay. Now, this is a strategy I've been working on privately. I wanted to kind of just perfect it behind the scenes before I talk about it with you guys. And I can almost guarantee you that if you love trading volatility as much as I do, then you are going to find the volatility in an earnings release to be through the roof. Okay, now let me set this up for you. This green and red color band that you see overlaid on the chart right now is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. All right, this tells you when a potential trend change happens, okay, and when it does happen, as it did right here on this Facebook earnings release today, all right, then you have seconds, and I literally mean seconds, to react and place a trade accordingly. You understand? But for all of my customers out there and all of my long-term subscribers, I'm going to show you how the retracement pattern that we talk about almost on a daily basis can really set you up with a high probability trade, okay, just by simply trading an earnings report. All right, so look, this is how I was playing it today. I knew that Facebook was going to have earnings release today after the market close, and I knew that the market was going to rip hard in either direction. If Facebook had bad earnings, then the NASDAQ was going to tank, and on the flip side, if Facebook had fantastic earnings, then the NASDAQ was going to rip hard to the upside. You follow? So essentially what I was trying to do today was use Facebook's volatility to trade the NASDAQ. All right? And as you guys and gals know, I love the NASDAQ. This is my all-time favorite symbol. If it's not your all-time favorite symbol, then shame on you. You need to fire up a chart of the NASDAQ. You can trade it anywhere. Forex, futures, stocks, and options. I'm telling you, man, this symbol, the NASDAQ, is an absolute beast. I mean, this thing can sometimes clock anywhere from 500 to 1,000 ticks or pips every single day. All right, so check this out. Let's get into the good stuff now. All right, Facebook's earnings came out right here, okay, about 10 minutes after the market close. And what you can see happen right after that is the volume indicator turned green and immediately just ripped for like 200 ticks straight up, okay, in the blink of an eye. So right off the bat, this is your clue that Facebook's earnings were probably good. You don't even have to be watching Facebook. You just can get your clues from what the NASDAQ is doing, right? And you know what we look for next, right? We look for one of these, guys and gals. You know what this is, right? Anyone that's been with me for any length of time, you know that this is a textbook perfect, crystal clear retracement setup within the context of this green volume indicator color band. But let me get you dialed in some more, all right? I'm going to show you how you really only had maybe 4 or 5 seconds to play this, all right? So check this out, man. I'm really excited to show this to you. I'm chomping at the bit right now, okay? So check this out. This pullback started here, okay? So like just look at this starting point of these red bars, all right? Now look at the x-axis, all right? This happened at about 9 seconds, okay? And then about 4 seconds later, we're here, okay? And then 5 seconds after that, boom, we get the retracement at 18 seconds, all right? Now, this is the part where you just have to have your finger on the trigger and hope to God that if you're playing the crazy volatility on these earnings reports, that you're prepared to fire off a trade. Because check this out, all right? Look at this. This retracement bar closed at 18 seconds. And the next bar closed at 20 seconds. You see that? Look at the x-axis, all right? So what does that tell you? Right? That tells you that you only had 2 to 3 seconds to go long this market here on this perfect retracement. Right? Crazy. You know what I mean? Just absolutely crazy, but also extremely exhilarating. Man, I'm telling you, I was on the edge of my seat watching this trade play out. And one more thing I want to explain to you guys, all right? Normally, when I place the stop loss on these retracements, it would go 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath, all right, the signal bar's low. But if you're playing these high volatility moves, okay, then maybe risking the entire length of one bar might be too much. So what I've been doing is just placing my stop loss at the halfway point of this bar. Okay? And if I get stopped out, I'm okay with that, right? I took a chance. Maybe it works out, maybe it doesn't. I'm fine with that as long as I am crystal clear and solid on my entry technique. All right? So yeah, man, I went long the NASDAQ as fast as I could on the open of the very next bar. The stop loss goes there. And then if I squish this in and show you what happened, this thing just took off. And it's still up big right now from this entry point. Okay? Stop loss never got touched. Now, for those of you guys that know me, you know that I'm mostly risk averse when it comes to trading. I'm a very conservative trader. So why did I take this trade, and why did I attempt to play Facebook's earnings, right? Well, just for the thrill of trading, guys and gals. I mean, listen, if you're not passionate, if you're not excited at trading the market and looking for really, really high probability setups like this on a daily basis, then, you know, maybe you shouldn't be trading. Maybe you should be doing something else, right? Driving for Uber, selling real estate, whatever it is that people do, right? Now, me and all of my people, we love trading. We love looking for high probability, low risk setups. That's all you can expect to do as a trader. And I'm on a mission to help my customers and my people transform their trading technical analysis skills forever. And I simply could not do that without this beautiful volume indicator color band that continues to kill it almost every single day. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.